As a driver support agent, I can tell you that Walmart Spark doesn't give a about the bot situation. So this is a Reddit post I'm gonna read you from NoBus5018 over on Reddit. This is my second post here. I've been a delivery support agent for more than 7 months. We are very aware of the bot situation. I always say that we root for the drivers, even though sometimes we need to deal with the very rude and frustrated drivers. It is our work and we can deal with that. We know that there are a lot of fake accounts around. We always escalate them, report them. Same thing about your claims against the bots, but sadly, every escalation is ignored by the trust and safety team. They don't give a rat's ass. This is just as frustrating for us as it is for you. I just want to vent because we try, but they don't even care. Walmart is aware of the fake accounts, but they force us to give them support even if we know they are 100% fake. We are not comfortable with lying to the drivers, but we have no option. QA will F us up. These Walmart Spark bots is getting out of control. So look, I did some research, guys, and apparently what these Walmart Spark scammers are using is a app called Spark Ninjas. Now, Spark Ninjas has been around for a little bit of time, and I just recently found out the official name of the bot, and I looked them up on the Google Play Store. And when you go to the Google Play Store and you click on it and you try to click contact us, it goes straight to Telegram. So if you're familiar with scammers and Telegram, you should know right then and there that anytime somebody contact information redirects you to a Telegram account, that's more than likely a scammer or people who deal with fraudulent stuff and fraudulent accounts. So if you're dealing with Walmart Spark bots in your area and you haven't been able to get good orders, and as soon as an order to come through, it gets snatched away right away, they probably using Spark Ninjas, and you want to be on the lookout for this. Now, Walmart does say on their website that they do take certain actions to prevent people from using bots, but whatever they've been doing, it ain't been working, because we've been seeing people with multiple accounts and multiple phones, and even people being able to steal orders that are round robin offers and they sent to a specific driver. These bot holders have been able to even steal those orders from hardworking drivers. So if you was wondering if you not getting no orders on Walmart Spark in your market, it's probably because they're using bots, and it's probably Spark Ninjas is the one that they're using. So just a quick update. Go ahead, check it out for yourself. Go on Google, type in Spark Ninjas, see if you see anybody in your market taking orders from you, or if you're not getting no orders. So bots are some DoorDash and Walmart Spark delivery drivers' dirty little secret. Bots, or apps that make it easier to claim orders, are proliferating on the delivery apps. Some help workers pick up orders or shifts. Others claim to provide hidden information. Companies like Instacart and Walmart Spark say using bots violates their policies for contractors. Let me know in the comments below if you out there using bots on the Walmart Spark app, because if you is, I would like to know. A lot of people out there using bots, and they taking all the good orders, and it's making it hard to make that money. Walmart Spark bots. Let's go ahead and look that up. I seen this article that was pretty interesting right here on Business Insider, and we're not finna read the whole thing, but basically it's sit here and they talk about how, bots is a bad thing, and they even speak on the Power app, and they talk about how that's basically considered a botting app too, by you being able to see the tip information up front. And they talk about how the Power app was used on the food delivery side. That's kind of what they was talking about right here. And then when you scroll down a little bit more, they talk about the Walmart Spark aspect of it, and they talk about how bots are used in conjunction with grabbing orders on the Walmart Spark platform. And they talk about this one app called Spark Ninjas, and it's my first time hearing about it, and I was like, dang. And basically it allows you to grab good orders, kind of similar to the way we was able to see the tip information with Para, but it's a little different because it straight up grab the order versus just allowing you to see the additional information. So it's called Spark Ninjas, and apparently the people message you through Telegram. And look, before you go downloading Spark Ninja, I want to warn you, look, don't do it, because you're probably gonna get deactivated for one. Bots, when it comes to grabbers and snatching orders and stuff, that's not a good thing. And I don't consider something like a grabber software the same as something like Para that was giving you tip information up front, helping you make a better decision. We talking about two different things. These are straight up grabbing the orders before anybody else get a chance, basically cheating the system. So I just found out about it, and I want to share the information with you guys so you know the name of the app that these people use to steal your orders. It's called Spark Ninja. But again, don't download it. Don't try to use it because, first of all, I went and did some research, and the people who run these apps, they message you through Telegram, and anybody know that that's where the scammers is located, right there over on Telegram. That's where they do all their communications to leave no trail. So when they scam you, you don't have no way of referring back to no actual contact information because everything goes through Telegram. I hate Telegram. I do not use it, and I don't recommend you use it. So anytime you're dealing with somebody and they contact information is only through Telegram, they might be a scammer, so you might want to be wary. And these Spark Ninja people is just that. So when I did my research, all their communication is through Telegram, so there's no way to track it back to who the real people is. And they know they doing wrong. They stealing orders. They accessing information they're not supposed to. And if you tie your actual account that you use to make money to a platform like Spark Ninja, and then Walmart find out about it, you can be sure you will be deactivated. So again, don't be going and downloading this. Don't use it trying to grab some orders because it ain't worth it. But I am reporting this to you so you know what's going on. These people out here, and a lot of them probably migrant dashers, illegal people with illegal accounts and fake accounts, they don't care if they get deactivated. So for them, they'll use Spark Ninja and they'll take that risk. And I've even heard some reports that Walmart customer support ain't even able to do nothing when these scammers call in, right? They're not even able to do nothing. They have to give them the same level of support that they give actual verified drivers that they know is supposed to be on the platform. So it's a huge problem, not only on the outside but on the inside too. Walmart know this is a problem. Walmart know this going on, and they basically turning the other way because orders is getting delivered. They don't care that the customers is upset. They don't care about the migrant crisis. They don't care about none of that. But I'm reporting this to you so you know more of the pieces of the puzzle of what's going on. So these illegal migrants and these illegal immigrants and these fake account users and these cheaters are using Spark Ninja to steal orders from you hard-working Spark drivers out there so that you can't make no money, and they getting all the money and they taking bad orders too. So again, I want to warn you, do not download this. Do not try to use this to get orders, because when they find out who you is going to get deactivated through Walmart, because they have systems in place to find out who using this. But again, market to market, they picking and choosing who they want to get rid of based on who using this. So you don't want to get caught up in that being a actual for real driver. I want to make sure I make that clear. But make sure you know what's going on out here, because they is taking money out of people's pockets and sending it back across the border. They doing everything up under the sun to make their money and don't care how it affect our economy or our pockets. So the app is called Spark Ninja. It's ran by scammers. They contact you through Telegram, and you don't want no parts of it, but you do want to know what's going on and what tools they use to steal your money and make it harder for you to make your money in the gig economy. So if you're a Walmart Spark driver out there and you feel like it's scammers in your market using bots and fake accounts, this is probably the app they're using. And pull up on them, ask them, hey, you using Spark Ninjas to take my orders? What the hell going on? Because I ain't making no money. And let them know FDA sent you. No, I'm just playing, but I'll holler at y'all in the next one now.